Oh wait. Good morning, my name is Yesenia and welcome to my channel. Look at my breakfast. I got eggs with salt and pepper and what is it? Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter. When it rains, I'm like a little kid. I want to go outside and look at the rain, touch the rain, just enjoy the rain, even if it's ridiculous. Oh my god! They say it's waterproof. Let's try it out. No, just kidding. Lexi already, she didn't want to eat. I gave her a bottle, and I'll try later. Mmm. The rain is so nice. Mmm. Okay, bye. I gotta take my shoes off because they got so wet. We're gonna watch some Hulu. Alright. Alright, see you in a bit. Who's that pretty girl looking right at me? It's Lexi. Right here, not hungry. Try my toasted bread with some peanut butter. It has no jelly. Is that okay? No? No? Nothing? Say good morning. It's Thursday. Yay! Oh. Ma. What's that noise, Lexi? Wow. It's rain? Agua. Say agua. Oh, look at that little cute face. Who kept me up all night crying for no reason? You, right? Why did you keep me up all night crying? Un besito. Mwah. Say bye. Un besito. Say mama. Tell me mama. Oh, I missed it. She said it twice. It's so cute. She said mama. Say it. Mama. Mama? Only when she wants to. Say mama. She wants to go and splash in the puddles, I'm pretty sure. But no, baby girl. Let's go clean outside. That's what we gotta do. Look at that puddle. And those socks. So it's time to do some workout. Time to get rid of this lonja, you know. I've been working very, very hard, but you know, it's a little bit hard because I also won't stop like not eating right, and then I drink on the weekends, and it's just like, woo. Anyway, I work hard every day. I work out almost every single day. I try to do something, whether it's a little bit or some days I really feel like doing a lot, and I do a lot. So today I actually feel like doing a lot. I'm already sore from the day prior, but I gotta keep it pushing because I just feel like I just have to. My anniversary is coming. 2 weeks from now. Alright. With. Give it to me, that's me. Yeah. Lexi, you know. Lexi, you know. That's mine. Did you do that? Did you do that, Lexi? Did
So tomorrow, 67 degrees if it holds together. Then next Wednesday, Thursday, we're tracking which could be another system that brings an inch.
Stop. Whoa, 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 she took the phone from me. Look. Alright, thank you for watching. I didn't do nothing interesting today. It was really, really, like, boring. Just looking for some stuff that I have lost. But I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye.
Excuse me, have your showers.
Go to sleep.